So we're trying to figure out how many of the uninspected garments must pass inspection in order that 90% of the garments in the shipment pass. Okay, 2/3 of the garments in the shipment were inspected, 18 passed. So let's write down what we know. We know that 18 passed. Obviously, we're talking about past inspection. So 18 passed and the remaining 2 failed. So that tells me 18 plus 2 garments, which is 20, were inspected. Now what we don't know is how many are in the shipment. But we know that 2/3 of the shipment were inspected. And we know 20 were inspected. So if I let X be total garments in shipment, we know 2/3 of X is 20. 2/3 were inspected. And we know 20 were inspected. So solve for X. Clear our fractions by multiplying both sides by 3. That's 2X equals 60. That's X equals 30. And that's total garments. And we want 90% of the total. 90% of the total have to pass for the whole shipment to pass. So 0.9, 90% of the shipment, that's 30 of them, is 27 garments to pass. And how many have already passed? 18, right? So we need 27 to pass, and we've already know 18 have passed. So we need 9 of the garments from the uninspected to pass. So answer's 9.